5 Print on Demand Niche Research of the Week, episode 61. So, without further ado, let's just get right into it. If you're watching TV, you should know what is going around, what is happening right now between Ukraine and Russia. So, it's not strange that shirts like this are selling well. So, this is my niche number one. If you're in the lower tiers and you want to make some quick sales, in order to be tiered up, I will recommend this, but I will be careful with this niche because people have died in the process, and Amazon specifically says they don't want any niche. They don't want you uploading shirts that have that are related with deaths, strategies, and things like that. But if you want to make some quick bucks, some quick sales, in order to be tiered up, I'll recommend this. But be careful with the keywords, guys. But if you're not comfortable with it with this niche, you can just stay away from it. But this is what it's selling right now, as you can tell. This is actually in the all marketplaces. Yes, all marketplaces. The first six shirts, one, two, three, four, five, six. The first six shirts are about this issue. Obviously, people standing with um, we all know who the aggressor is, right? So I really don't like talking politics on this channel because we have mixed feelings, but you all know who the aggressor is, and this is reversed. This P is supposed to be here, and F is supposed to be here, and you know what that means. And if we keep scrolling a little bit, we'll see some more. This one says I stand with Ukraine. This one says hard. This one is actually in the US marketplace, and France. Yes, France marketplace. You know what? Let me just put in the US marketplace so you can see the top designs in the US marketplace. So this is all marketplaces. I'll change it to US, then click search. So for those who are always asking, oh, how can I catch a niche early? This is how you catch a niche early. You see it all over the place. You see designs all over the place using Flying Research. Yeah, this is what I use, guys. Um, and the link is in the description if you want to check it out. There's also a coupon code there if you're interested. And here is in the US marketplace. Also, the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 designs. No, 6, 7. Look at this. This design is always here, or throughout the years, always here. But if it can be pushed down by this one, you can imagine how many sales. That's more than 1,000 sales, more than 1,000, 1,800, 600, 660, 545. You see, the top two rows are about this issue. So you can imagine how many people are cashing out from this. I know anything that has to do with protests, they always make sales because people want to wear that shirt and go out there and protest. So they're gonna be making, yeah, they're gonna be purchasing your shirt and you're gonna be making sales. But the problem with protests is that most of them turn out to be um, violence. So they and when Amazon gets to know about it, they wouldn't like shares like that being on their platform. But if you are not comfortable with it, you don't have to upload any shit about it. That's just it. So this is a big, huge um, niche number one. There are so many designs. You see this one here is mixed with an American flag. Let me just scroll down a little bit so you can see. Yeah, this is another one here. So guys, let's move to niche number two. So niche number two is for Earth Day. Earth Day is coming up in March, and this design is new. It says "I speak for the trees." That is very touching and funny at the same time. You have an earth here, then you have some beautiful trees in different colors. So Earth Day is Earth Day recycling everything that has to do with pollution. You can use this shirt for it. And let's take a look at the BSR. Let's see what it's doing. Overall trend is up, obviously. What would you expect? So another shirt related to Earth Day is this one. It says I speak for the trees, but I don't see any Earth there. And overall trend is up, current trend is up. Look at that. Ooh, it's really approaching one, guys. You can imagine it's a new shirt. So this is niche number two. Earth Day, speaking for the trees. Price 9.99. People are already purchasing it. So niche number three is Pi Day. Pi Day symbol, math shirt, for math lovers, mathematicians. And this one here, overall trend is up, current trend is up. You can see this shirt is an old shirt. It's been here for a while. So you have up and down, up and down, up and down the BSR. But it's doing well overall. And Pi Day 2 is coming up in March. So this shirt is gonna, the BSR is gonna reduce again. And that's niche number three. Niche number four is Mardi Gras. I spoke about this in my last video. And this anything that has to do with T-Rex, guys, is gonna sell. The younger generations are so in love with T-Rexes. So anything you mix and match with T-Rexes is almost guaranteed to sell. Except your design is not great, but if you add a T-Rex to your design, people are likely to purchase it. So let's take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up. Obviously, Mardi Gras is coming up. This in the .com marketplace, price at 19.95. Over 24 reviews. Let's move to the second to the last niche. Actually, the last niche is St. Patrick's Day, and you have a ton of leprechauns with gold dabbing. Any design that has to do with dinos, that has to do with dabbing, that has a retro sunset designs. Those all of them, yeah, they're likely to sell because people have shown us that the customers have shown us that they like designs like that by the way they purchase them. So this another one here, a dabbing shirt, and it's a funny leprechaun that is dabbing. The DBS are not bad. It went down and came up again. So this is another shirt for St. Patrick's Day. The last one it's also about St. Patrick's Day, and it says Shenanigans Squad. So I've also noticed that anytime you write a squad or maybe a group, something related to a group like squad here, many people are likely to purchase it. I have more sales from that as opposed to maybe a plain shirt that says maybe Shenanigans, something like that. You add squad there, people who are going in a group are gonna purchase it more because you talk about a squad is two or more people. So those who are going in a group are likely to purchase this shirt, and sometimes the groups are large as 20, and you see sales like 20, one person buying 20 shirts. So I've experienced such sales. So if you want to design a shirt, I'll recommend that you include a squad there. Most of the time, people are going for parties, they don't go alone. So the likelihood that they're gonna purchase two or more shirts is very high if you add the term squad there. So that was it for the designs. I want to quickly show you the deleted designs and some upcoming niches we should focus on in March. So deleted designs, we have these ones here. So let's take a look at and see if anything has been deleted related to the Ukraine crisis. So as of now, I don't see anything related to that. If not, I would have told everyone to back off, but I don't see anything. Um, I will keep a watch here on these deleted designs and see if anything comes up related to that. I'm gonna let you guys know, but as of now, I don't see anything. So I guess we are good. All right, guys, let's take a look at the what is upcoming. What is upcoming is for March. For March, we have the big one, St. Patrick's Day. It shows it up here. The events in total are 44, but the ones I recommend you do are these ones with the stars there. They're very, very huge days. If you're done with them, if you want to focus on these other ones, National Read Across American Day, World Wildlife Day, National Grammar Day. If you want to focus on those smaller ones, you can. But the ones I recommend you start off with are these ones that start. Mardi Gras, of course, I've shown you t-shirts about that. International Women's Day, I've also, I don't think I've shown you a design about that, but it's upcoming too. I spoke about Pi Day, yeah, I showed you a design about that too. St. Patrick's Day, I showed you several designs about that too. So that's furnishes. And the last one, uh, yep, Earth Hour Day or Earth Day, So Earth Hour Day is different from Earth Day, guys. That's just what I noticed. I think Earth Day is in April or so, if I'm mistaken. Yep, yeah, April 22nd is Earth Day. Then Earth Hour Day is in March. So just a quick note there. So guys, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pin Husband and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.